think their package is super cute. When you pick the strawberries in USA, you should definitely check the country where it's from, because product of USA strawberries aren't really sweet. You should definitely pick some product of Mexico. And these Saturn peaches are new. It's so cute and so sweet. I've tried a lot of tortillas from Trader Joe's and this was the best, #1. And it has made with whole wheat and it has a great ingredients, nutrition facts also. This is a new Korean style vegan buksu product from Trader Joe's and I've tried it and it was so good. And it was even the last one. The packages are so cute. This is a new seasonal product, strawberry mini sheet cake, and it has been viral for like a few weeks. My go-to salmon steak. And I think for my personal opinions, they have the most fresh meats for the steaks, like filet mignon or New York strip steak. And of course, their most famous products. They have a lot of Korean products. The kimbap, mukbap, and even tteokbokki, Korean-inspired bulgogi beef fried rice with kimchi. I've tried this beef bulgogi before and it was so good. It has like 3 portions. And also they have a Korean style beef short ribs and it was so much popular. This is actually Chinese food, but it has a similar taste with the 닭강정 and it's so good. They even have a lot of snacks, like their store brand products, and those are really good. And over here, there are some of like booster shots, such as ginger shots, turmeric shots, immunity shots. And when you come to Trader Joe's, you can find this crushed garlic. It has 20 little cubes, and it's gonna be really convenient when you cook. And they also have their own store brand products for the cereals. Never ever get this one. And they are good and chewy. And I'm currently using this liquid dish soap and it was so good. On the first floor, they have some clothes and some Kim stores. They have some plates and cups like this. I get them from Amazon. It's heavy. I use this Brita water filter machine, and this is so convenient and reasonable price. And you should get this filter replacement for like every 2 months. And you know that the US is a world of cards. They have a lot of selection for the cards, such as anniversary, baby, wedding, thank you, congrats, birthday, and so on. And I recommend this trash bags. It has a scent of like lavender or sweet vanilla, whatever, so that it covers the strong smell of the garbage. When you're looking for some fruit yogurts, I recommend this Oreo plate. It has some fruit on the bottom, and this is really good. The world of cereals. And if you guys want some tuna, you can just get this kind of tuna from Starkist. It has the exactly same taste with the Korean tuna. These sugar cookies are Americans' favorites. I don't know why. And for the Smith chocolate chip cookie, I would give 9 out of 10. It's better than Whole Foods. If you guys are a fan of Korean style imitation crab stick, This has the exactly same taste with them. You can just find them in this myth. And also the fresh donuts. And I don't really get why the Americans are peeling off all of the mandarins like one by one. This Tate's Bake Shop chocolate chip cookie is quite expensive, but I really recommend this. If all those super salty and super sweet American snacks are too much for you, I recommend this Popcorners. It's way more balanced and it feels like a healthier chips. And it's not too salty and not too sweet. Whole Foods Market has the freshest vegetables of any markets here. And also their fruits are really good. With this machine, they grind the nuts and squeeze the fresh almond butter and peanut butters. And this is one of the most popular things in here. I guess this is the Asian section. And I found the Seoul kimchi mayo and Seoul bulgogi sauce. And even gochujang. There's a lot of them. I've tried this brown rice before and it wasn't good. Don't try this. And they even got a lot of store-brand products. They have this sambuzo and acai bowl, and this is really good. It only contains the granola, and if you add some blueberries or bananas or whatever, it's gonna be better. This green yogurt is really good. It's like one of the best green yogurts that I've ever had. Whole Foods Market's chocolate chip cookie, I would give 7 out of 10. Even though I haven't tried them, I heard that it's really good. The Whole Foods Market has a good cake flavors. When you buy some breads here, you can move to here and cut them into slices. And the key point, the salad bars.